अपना बोलो।
Hari Bol. I don't want to translate first of all. What to do? Even when Srila Bharati Maharaj was giving class, I used to avoid for translation. Translation means you are And I told Maharaj that anyhow he has to speak for one more month. So anyhow, he has ordered, so I will try to translate little.
Yes. बोलो।
दोबारा बोलो।
अच्छा। भगवान कृष्ण की लीला के लिए एक में दो नहीं आए, लेकिन महाप्रभु का अवतार प्रच्छन्न है।
The Mahaprabhu's form is hidden form. He appeared in hidden form, and for the service of Supreme Lord Sri Krishna in one body, two devotees did not appear, two souls did not appear. But for the service of Mahaprabhu,
यहाँ पर वो आकर के उन्होंने एक जो मुख्य सेवक था वो तो रहा, लेकिन उसके साथ में कई बार दूसरा भाव आया।
In one body, one primary soul is there, which is serving Lord Chaitanya, but the mood of other devotee, through that he manifests in the same body to serve Lord Chaitanya.
इसलिए उस भाव से भावनात्मक रूप से जब वो भगवान महाप्रभु की सेवा में आगे बढ़े, तब वह भक्त भी उनमें प्रवेश करे।
In that mood, when they appeared to serve Lord Chaitanya, that devotee also appeared, whose mood is being taken for serving Lord Chaitanya. When the prominent soul wants to serve Lord Chaitanya in the mood of that specific devotee also appeared because his mood is being taken, so he also appeared to serve Lord Chaitanya.
और उसके बाद वो लोग अपने अपने धाम में चले जाते हैं।
And after that they go back to their abode, their respective places.
ये है बात। This is the answer. Anybody have any question about this? More deeper? किसी का और प्रश्न है इसी प्रश्न में और गहराई में? नहीं? और कोई? Any questions? No? Yes?
I wonder how one can proceed on the path of aim of life.
What?
Aim of life.
Yes.
Aim of life. How one can proceed on the path.
Good.
Accomplish that on earth more and more.
जीवन का उद्देश्य, जीवन में उद्देश्य।
One is aim of life and the other one is aim in life.
जीवन के उद्देश्य के लिए जीवन में जय हो गौर नित्यानंद की जय, राधा गोविंद भगवान की जय। आज तो बहुत लोग आए हैं। जय हो, सबकी जय जयकार। जीवन के उद्देश्य के लिए जीवन में उद्देश्य ठीक होना चाहिए।
For the aim of life you should have proper aim in life.
ये क्वेश्चन इन्होंने किया है। देखो, ध्यान से सुनने से प्रश्न आ जाता है। हमने भी ध्यान से सुना, हमारे में तो प्रश्न नहीं आया।
I heard very carefully, but I never got this question arose within me. Means we.
लेकिन
But
उन्होंने सुना,
she heard.
उनको लगा कि हाँ, एम ऑफ लाइफ को हमें जीवन के उद्देश्य को प्राप्त करना है, तो क्या किया जाए जीवन में?
What to do to attain the real purpose of the life, the aim of life.
इसके लिए सिर्फ 3 काम करने हैं।
For this, you have to do 3 things.
हम इस संसार में फंसे कैसे,
Why we came into this world?
हम फंसे कैसे हैं, मतलब फंसने का क्या कारण है?
What is the reason for our entanglement in this material world?
उसका कारण बना 3 कारण है उसके।
There are 3 causes for that.
पहला, हमने सुना,
First, we heard.
मम्मा मम्मा आज मदर्स डे है। दुर्भाग्य है कि हम लोग मदर्स डे मनाते हैं। हमारे यहाँ पे रोज ही माता का दिन होता है, पिता का दिन होता है, प्रणाम करते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ बेचारे एक ही दिन करते हैं। चलो कोई बात नहीं, तब भी बहुत अच्छी बात है, करते तो हैं भाई। हाँ चलिए, मैं जो कह रहा था कि हम लोग बचपन में सुनते हैं, क्या सुनते हैं?
In childhood, we were listening.
मम्मा मम्मा,
Yes.
पिताजी बोलते हैं,
Father says,
जा मम्मा के पास जा।
go to mother.
वो बच्चा, उसको नहीं मालूम कि ये पिता की माँ नहीं है,
He don't know that she is not the mother of his father.
लेकिन पिता क्या बोल रहा, मम्मा के पास जा।
But father, he is saying, go to mother.
अब पति जो बोल रहा है कि मम्मा के पास जा, वो अपनी माँ के पास नहीं बोल रहा है।
Husband is saying to his son to go to his mother. It doesn't mean that he is asking him to go to his mother.
वो अपनी पत्नी के लिए बोला मम्मा,
He is saying this for his wife.
लेकिन उसको मालूम है ये मेरी माँ नहीं है।
He knows she is not my mother.
लेकिन बच्चा जो सुनता है वही बोलता है।
The child, what he is listening, he is repeating the same thing.
भारत के अंदर राजस्थान में
In Rajasthan,
भाभी को भी भाभी कहते हैं। ये कहां से लाए? कोई बात नहीं, लगाओ कुछ तो तुक्का लगाओ। भाभी मीन्स ब्रदर्स वाइफ, वी आर कॉलिंग भाभी। ओके, सो भाभी को भी भाभी कहते हैं,
okay, they call bhabhi as bhabhi.
मीन्स ब्रदर्स वाइफ। एंड और क्या करते हैं,
And what they do,
उनका जो चाचा है, उनका चाचा, उस बच्चे का चाचा, वो उसकी माँ को भाभी बोलता है।
these useless relations, it is very difficult to remember. Anyhow,
ओके,
you understand the point what he is mentioning. Now we don't have any more relations now. No bhabhi, no chacha, nothing is there. Everything finished.
इस uncle of that child, he is calling his brother's wife like a bhabhi, okay? But small baby also hearing for his mother one person saying bhabhi. And in that cause, that child also saying in Rajasthan to on his mother bhabhi.
Because his father's brother is calling his mother as bhabhi, so he is also calling her bhabhi.
Bhabhi. But they are it's okay. They are known कि she is my mother, but bhabhi. Speaking bhabhi. So कहने का मतलब, ध्यान दीजिए, हम फंसे कैसे?
Why we are entangled?
संबंध से।
Because of relation.
संबंध कहाँ से बना?
From where we got this relation?
सुनने से।
By hearing.
सुनना किनसे हुआ?
From whom we heard?
जो हमारे माता पिता, हमारे सगे संबंधी।
Through our parents and all our relatives.
इसी तरह से
In the same way,
हम भक्तों के बीच में भगवान से संबंध की बात करते हैं।
when we discuss about the things related to the Supreme Lord in the association of his devotees,
वो मेरे कौन है, मैं उनका
that
क्या हूं।
he to me and what I am to him.
इस प्रकार के संबंध की बात जब होती है, अब यहाँ पे आप ये मत सोच लेना कि भाई पता नहीं भगवान के नित्य लीला का कोई संबंध।
Here don't think about the eternal pastimes of Supreme Lord Sri Krishna.
कि यू आर, मतलब आप लोग वहां पे कोई नित्य लीला में फलाने सेवक हो जाए, सेविका हो जाए, कुछ हो, वो मत सोचो। सिर्फ मैं दास हूं दासों के बीच में रहने से ये भाव आएगा, सुनते हुए बोलते हुए।
I am his eternal servant, and just by being in the association of the servants of the Supreme Lord and hearing and singing about him, we can easily develop this relation of ourselves being the servant of Supreme Lord.
सुनने से,
By hearing
बोलने से,
and by speaking
याद करने से,
and by remembering.
3 काम करने से संसार में फंसे।
By doing these 3 things, we have fallen in this world.
3 काम करोगे तो निकल जाओ।
And if you do these 3 things, then you can easily come out of this world.
बड़ा आसान है,
Very easy.
लेकिन हम करते क्या है?
But what we are doing?
ये विचार करने के बाद क्या करते हैं?
We have to think.
किसी ने अगर प्यार से बोल दिया ना,
If someone speaks with you with love,
आज बड़े अच्छे लग रहे हो,
that you are looking good,
बस
finish.
क्या हुआ? आपने सुना,
What happened? You heard.
आप क्या कर रहे हो?
What you are doing.
याद कर रहे हो।
And you start to think, remember.
एंड फिर उसको जब तक आप कुछ बोल नहीं दोगे ना, आपके मन में चैन नहीं आएगा।
And unless and until you say something to that person, you are not peaceful.
अब आप विचार करके देखिए फंसे कैसे हैं।
Now you think.
हाउ, कैसे फंसे? हमारा फंसने का कारण ही है संसार का प्यार भरा शब्द।
The reason for us falling in this world is the word of the affectionate words of this world.
तो वही अफेक्शनेट वर्ड जो हैं, वही प्यार भरे शब्द गोविंद के साथ बोलने शुरू कर दो।
And start speaking those same affectionate words with the Supreme Lord and His associates.
धीरे धीरे एसोसिएट्स में सन्यासियों से मत करना भैया प्यार की बात। हाँ, वो ठीक नहीं।
उस तरह के बात तो किसी से भी करना ठीक नहीं है। You have to speak affectionately means to surrender, to have respect and regard and devotion in that way.
अरे जय बाबा, जय हो, दंडवत प्रणाम। उसके लिए हमें यह बात को समझना होगा। गुरुदेव, हमारे परमाराध्य श्रील गुरुदेव इस बात को अक्सर कहते थे।
Our most revered Gurudev used to say this very often.
जैसे फंसे हैं वैसे निकलेंगे।
The way you have fallen, in the same way you have to come out.
तो हम दुनिया की प्रशंसा झूठी करके, ध्यान देना, हम दुनिया की प्रशंसा झूठी करके, दुनिया को बेवकूफ बना के,
We are making fools in this world by singing their false glories.
जय। सो ऐसी ही सच्ची महिमा वैष्णवों की जब हम सुनेंगे, बोलेंगे,
When we sing the true glories of Vaishnavas and when we sing their glories,
उससे क्या होगा? हमारे हृदय में भी वैष्णवता का संचार होने लगेगा।
by this what will happen? The true Vaishnava feelings, mood comes in our heart.
और धीरे 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 हमको भी शर्म आने लगेगी
And slowly we start to feel shameful
कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ,
that what I am doing,
भक्तों का चरित्र कैसा है,
what kind of life is of devotees,
मेरा चरित्र कैसा है।
and what kind of life is mine.
जब ये अपने हृदय में आने लगेगा,
When this starts to come in our heart,
तब समझना होगा कि हमारी उन्नति शुरू हुई है।
then we should understand that the real progress has started.
नहीं तो दीनता के बिना तो शुरुआत है ही नहीं।
Without humility, there is no beginning.
और ये दीनता स्वाभाविक होती है।
And this humility is natural.
और कैसे स्वाभाविक होती है?
How it is natural?
कि जब हम श्रेष्ठ का संग करते हैं,
When we associate with higher,
हम जब श्रेष्ठ का संग करेंगे तभी दीनता है।
then only the humility comes automatically.
संग कैसे होगा?
How we will have association?
जैसे वो जू जो है बिस्तर पे लेटी होती है, वहां खटमल रहता है, वो संग करता, वैसा संग।
और उसको क्या
बग।
bug, whatever, some bug on the bed,
Bugs, yes.
That's sucking the blood. Not that kind of association.
वैष्णव संग का मतलब समझना,
You should
वैष्णव
understand.
के चरित्र को जीवन में धारण करना वैष्णव संग है।
Implementing the character and the standards of Vaishnava within our own life is called the real association of Vaishnava.
इसलिए हमें यह विचार करना चाहिए कि जिस क्रिया से फंसे हैं वही क्रिया हमने करनी है।
So by which we have fallen in this world, we have to do the same thing to come out of this world.
श्रवण सुना, मेरा नाम विमल है, मैं सोचने लगा मैं विमल 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 विमल, जैसे उस दिन बतलाया था आइडेंटिटी जो है कि हम अपने आप की आईडी जो है वो शरीर की दिखलाते हैं,
We show our identity of our body,
लेकिन हम कभी अपने आप का परिचय नहीं दे पाते।
but we could not give our real identity.
तो उसके लिए अब हमने करना क्या है?
For that, what we have to do now?
अपना जो परिचय गुरुदेव ने दिया है उस परिचय को पक्का बनाने के लिए उसी को सुनना, उसी को सुनाना।
The identity which Gurudev has given, to make it more strong and prominent, we have to speak about that and we have to sing about that.
उसी को याद करना।
And to remember that.
हम लोग अपने नाम को कभी याद करते?
Do we remember our name?
कोई नहीं करता। कोई करता यार? बेईमानी मत करना, ईमानदारी से बोलना। Have you remembering any time your name which you Gurudev has given you? Remember his meaning? No. It's cause we don't want to be what Gurudev has given name.
Last name is Das.
Yes, that Das we are not remembering. We are remembering what? Krishna, Asim Krishna, yes, I am Asim Krishna. His Das is there. If I will remember Asim Krishna Das, then I should do what is Das duties, what is servant's duties. But I am not doing, I am not remembering. Without remember, never will rescue yourself from this world. For that, these three things: Shravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam. By only these three things, you can rescue your mind from this dirty, world. इसलिए हमें अपना आप का परिचय सबसे पहले जो झूठा दिया है वो बदलना होगा। आप कहते हैं ऐसे कैसे बदल सकते हैं?
How can we change our false identity?
कैसे बदल सकते हैं? जन्म से हम सुनते आए कि मैं शर्मा हूँ।
Since the time I was born, I am listening that my name is this.
आप कैसे बदलते हैं? अरे कैसे नहीं बदलते, जब तुम लोग की शादी होती है लड़की का सब कुछ बदल जाता है ना, नाम कास्ट वगैरह सब बदल जाती है।
बदलता है कि नहीं मालूम?
हाँ बदलता है,
बदल जाता है,
सब जगह बदलता है।
अच्छा बहुत बढ़िया, बदल लो।
हाँ बदलते हैं ना।
When you get married, the female person, her name, everything, title, everything changes.
And जैसे नाम बदलता है वैसे ही आप अपना परिचय बदल देते हो।
And the same way, when your name changes, you changes your identity completely.
I am Mrs. Williams. ऐसा होता है? अपने आप का परिचय अपने पिता से हटके आप देने कहाँ लग जाते हो?
Your identity, you stop to speak about in connection with your father, you start with your husband.
ऐसे ही जब गुरुदेव ने कृपा करके संबंध दे दिया है,
When Gurudev has given this sambandha,
उस संबंध को बोलो, उस संबंध को बोलो.
so you have to identify yourself with that relation what Gurudev has given.
उस संबंध को याद करो.
Remember that relation what Gurudev has given.
क्या है वो संबंध?
What is that relation?
मैं दास,
That I am the servant.
दासान दास.
Servant, servant, servant.
मैं एक रजकण हूँ वृंदावन का.
I am just a dust particle in Sridham Vrindavan.
मैं भूला बिछड़ा उड़ करके इस संसार में आ गया.
I have forgotten and I have lost and I just came in this material world.
बार बार याद करते वहां पहुंच.
Repeatedly you have to remember this and try to go back.
किसी ने एक बार संत गोस्वामी महाराज से पूछा,
Someone has asked Srila Sant Goswami Maharaj.
वो सन्यासी थे
He was sannyasi.
और उन्होंने पूछा, महाराज हम बहुत दूर रहते हैं, हजारों किलोमीटर दूर रहते हैं.
Then he told that Maharaj, we stay very far, thousands of kilometers far.
एंड आप कृपा करके हमारे वहां पे आइए देश में.
You please bless us and you please come to our country.
देन महाराज ने बोला,
Then Maharaj said,
वहां जाने से क्या होगा?
what will happen if I go there?
कहते हम आपका संग करेंगे.
That will associate with you.
महाराज कहते संग करोगे?
Then Maharaj said, you want to associate?
महाराज तो अंतर्जामी पुरुष.
He is antaryami.
उन्होंने देखा, उनकी आंखों में आंखें डाल
He
कर
looked in his eyes.
और कहते तुम यहाँ आया, आ करके अपना देश में गया.
He said, you came here and after that you went back to your country.
और वहां जा करके तुम रात को स्वप्न देखा और उस स्त्री का संग किया जिससे तुम मिला भी नहीं.
And then you had a dream and associated with a woman whom you never met.
कैसे हुआ?
And how it happened?
महाराज ने आंखों में आंखें डाल के देखा, मैं वहीं बैठा था.
He was sitting there and he also saw when they both were having this discussion.
उसका रंग उड़ गया.
His face completely changed.
अब शादी की हुई है उसने, लेकिन उससे नहीं की, किसी और से की.
Now he got married with some other person.
कहने का अभिप्राय ध्यान दीजिए.
The idea of what I'm saying.
संत गोस्वामी महाराज बोले कैसे संग किया?
Sant Goswami Maharaj is asking how you associated.
मुझसे मिला. कैसे संग किया? तुम उससे मिला भी नहीं.
How you associated when you haven't met her?
बात भी नहीं की.
You never spoke to her.
कैसे हुआ?
How it happened?
बड़ा सुंदर आंसर दिया संत गोस्वामी महाराज की जय. बहुत सुंदर आंसर. कहते तुमने उसको देखा,
You saw her
देख के चिंतन किया
and start to think
और उसके बारे में तुमने बोला.
and then you spoke about her.
यही क्रिया क्या गुरुदेव के चेहरे को याद करके हम करते हैं?
What we do by having darshan of the face of Srila Gurudev.
कभी उनके चरणों का स्मरण करते हुए करते हैं कि हमने उनके
Have we
चरणों
ever
को ऐसे
remembered
धोया
his
था,
lotus feet that
ऐसे
we
दबाया
bathed
था.
his feet in this way?
कहां से प्रेम होगा भाई?
From where the love will come?
जब याद ही नहीं करोगे उनकी मुस्कान को,
When you will not remember his smile
उनके गले की माला को देने को,
and the garlands which you offered to him, that
if कुछ जब याद ही नहीं करोगे तो कहां से वो अंदर आएंगे?
when you will not remember anything like this, how will come inside?
इसलिए करना वही 3 काम. सुनो, याद करो, फिर बोलो.
So do these 3 things: hear, remember, and speak.
ये 3 काम करने से what you have asked that will be fulfilled. Understand, your aim of life is everyone's aim of life, but for aim of life we should correct our aim in life. This is it. अभी आप मंचा कलरग्रस्त परितान
6:45, right? What is the time?
अच्युतन
No, what time is Aarti?
What time I think? 5 बजे.
Hmm?
5 बजे.
5 बजे?
कीर्तन क्या जरूरत है करने की, आरती करेंगे सीधा।
अभी 4:30 ही हुआ है।
तो बोला आप कुछ प्रवचन दो ना, कुछ बोलो। कुछ बताओ, जा रहे हैं।
Tomorrow morning we are leaving and he wants me to say something and I have nothing to say now. I am not in a mood to say anything. Yes.
Maybe now's the time you're leaving?
When you want us to leave, tell me.
Why not? Like,
Huh?
I don't want to leave because we promised you something about pictures and video.
Maybe after 9:30 or 9:30, 10. 10.
From here.
Yes. The first day I started to speak about the importance of associating with Vaishnavas, which we heard yesterday also in the life of Rai Ramanand Prabhu. And Maharaj also, he spoke, he insisted on having the most essential part of life is to associate with the devotees. Unless we associate, we should understand that we are in the place where we are sunken completely. Now we need the help. As long as we don't understand at what level we are, we can never make anything concrete in our life, which is very important. If the foundation is strong for the building, then you can make building any number of floors. If the foundation is not strong, if you make the building, you can still make, but any moment it may collapse. And the most essential part is the foundation. Foundation itself. If the foundation is very strong, even some earthquake also comes, there are chances of surviving. Some places it happened also. They make in such a way that it can resist earthquakes also. The foundation is not strong, you can settle a big city, but everything will collapse. You can see in Nepal it happened. Strong foundation, spiritual foundation for the soul. When we give proper foundation, where our soul can it can construct the stairs which leads to Golok Vrindavan. What Mahaprabhu says, Brahmand Brahmite Konu Bhagyavan Jeev, Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhakti Lata Bij, by the mercy of most revered Gurudev, one fortunate soul among many wandering here and there in different infinite Brahmandas, you get the seed of pure devotion. Mali hoya sei bij kare aropan. You have to form your heart. You have to cultivate it. You have to prepare it. And you have to sow the seed. And you have to give Shravan Kirtan Jale Karai Sicham. That Shravan and Kirtan you will get from Gurudev and Vaishnavas. But your heart is not fertile. If a land is not fertile, if you put Shravan and Kirtan also, nothing will happen. Today I was mentioning one story to Ashok Krishna Prabhu and this devotee.
Vijay Krishna Das.
Vijay Krishna Das Prabhu. Lord is all the time there. He is showering His mercy upon us. Gurudev is always showering His mercy upon all the jivas. Gurudev is not selfish, that he will give his affection more to one person and less to other person. He is all the time there with open heart to give all his mercy to all the jivas. That is the reason he is Gurudev. There is no discrimination, whether rich, poor, good, bad, nothing is there. His mercy is there all the time in all the jivas. But if there is some hole on my container, whatever I am getting, I am unable to take it. I am getting, but I am unfortunate that I can't take it. So how to cover this? And it's not just that I am saying. There is an incident in the scriptures explaining about this particular incident. It may look like a joke, but it is serious. In Vishnu Puran, there is an incident which is explained that once there was a Brahmana. There was one Brahman. He is very miser. Very, very, very miser. So miser that he don't want to spend every single penny. And his father died. Now he has to do funeral, cremation, so many things are there for which he has to spend so much of money, invite people, and then have some meeting, they will speak, and then some rituals, all those things, so much of money he don't want to spend. So what he did, he kept the dead body inside his home and he don't want to do any funeral now. Why? Because he's miser. Then Lord appeared in this world as a Brahman. Why? Because according to the qualities and according to the nature of the person, Lord has created this varnashram, everything system. So if it is going wrong, when a Brahmin who has to follow, when he is not properly following, so it is an attack on Sanatan Dharma. So Lord, he appeared in the form of Brahmin to protect this system. And he told him, Baba, no need to spend more money. I will spend on your behalf. You just give me 1 rupee or something, namesake. I will do everything. He said, okay. And now he was taken and then they did his funeral. Everything is over. After that, Lord says, okay, give me the money. He says these 13 days we feel ourselves impure. A person dies, that time they call it as sutak. So they say that we consider impure. So please come after 13 days. Lord, he went back and he came after 13 days. He told his wife, this man has come to take the 1 rupee. You tell him I am not in home. So please come after 10 days. Lord, he went back and he came after 10 days. It is real incident in Vishnu Puran, not just story. And after that, when he returned after 10 days, he saw this person, he came again. This time he told his wife, you break your bangles and wipe your tilak and start crying and tell him that I am dead. If I am dead, I have to give him, I am dead, so he will not come again. So she did the same way. She broke her bangles and crying and she said, my husband is no more. Lord laughed. No one can see him. Lord told her, listen, I did funeral for your father-in-law. Now anyhow I am there. Who will do? You have no children, so I will do for your husband also. Then they arranged that wood and all, everything, that prey, and he was carried on that wooden palanquin type of thing, and he is laying on that. He is not waking because he is scared, because I have to give him 1 rupee. Such a miser person, he is going to that extent, but he don't want to give anything. So finally he was taken and he is laying on that, and then Lord, he set fire. Now that heat is so much, he could not control. So he jumped from that and then started running. When he is running, Lord appeared in his original form, Chaturbhuj Narayan Roop, Swarup. He appeared and he said, stop. I am fully satisfied by you. You ask whatever you want, I will give you everything. Lord appeared and he is ready to give everything. And he is saying, I can give you everything. Why he appeared? What sadhana he did? No sadhana. But only thing he did is to enhance the joy of the Lord, Hasya Ras. There are 12 kinds of rasas. We all know this. 5 primary and 7 secondary. Among those 7 secondary, one is Hasyaras, by doing some funniest thing for the pleasure of the Supreme Lord. He did so much, and Lord felt so much of joy, and now he wants to give him everything he wants. You know this foolish person what he asked? Please leave my 1 rupee, spare my 1 rupee, I don't want. Means Gurudev is there to give us. Vaishnavas are there to give us. Supreme Lord is there all the time to give us. But if we don't understand what we really need, even though we get everything, we will lose everything. We will drain everything. So the basic for which we have this concrete idea, understanding that what I really need in my life, for that we need to associate constantly with the Vaishnavas. When we associate with the Vaishnavas, by the association of the Vaishnavas, that only helps us to develop a taste in the holy name. What Bhagavan Kapil says to Mother Devhuti, Satam prasangan mama virya samvido. In the association of my devotees, you go and discuss, you go and hear my nectarian pastimes. Mama virya samvido. Virya samvido applies only when devotee is speaking. Virya means that potent Harikatha. Harikatha is nectarian, but it becomes nectar, true nectar, and potent when it is coming from the mouth of a pure devotee. In Srimad Bhagavatam, in the glorification of Bhagavatam, what it is said? Nigama kalpa taror galitam phalam sukhamukad amrita dravya samyutam. It is a compiled scripture. Paramahansa Sanghita. Bhagavatam means Paramahansa Sanghita. Those whose life is totally dedicated, one-pointed, exclusive devotion for the service of Supreme Lord. It is their Sanghita. It is the compilation of those pastimes. Vyasadeva, he has given written form, inspired by the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Lord appeared through Vyasadeva in the form of Srimad Bhagavatam, Vagmay Murti. But it became more sweet, more potent when it came out from the lotus lips of Sri Shukadeva Goswami. When a devotee is speaking, then only the word has that potency. So Lord himself, he says, Satam prasangan mama virya samvido. You go to the association of my devotees. What she said? That I thought you are my son, but I take shelter onto your lotus feet. Why I am taking? Tvam gataham sharanam sharanyam swabhritya samsara taro kutharam. Your mercy is like an axe which is cutting the tree. It is chopping the tree of this material world. You know, it has so many deep roots into in this world. Attachment, my wife, my children, my this, my that, my house. So many attachments have rooted on the ground so strong. It's not so easy to uproot the tree. The mercy of the Supreme Lord is like an axe. Heavy stroke. Swabhritya samsara taro kutharam. Because all the jivas are your eternal servants. We have forgotten, but Lord, he remembers. So when a jiva wants to come out of this material world and he takes shelter onto his lotus feet, Lord does this. How? That is what he is mentioning. Satam prasangan mama virya samvido. Lord will not come with an axe and okay, I will do. No. His axe and his mercy, everything is coming through his devotees. Bhidyate hridaya granthi chinnansi sarva sanshaya. Whatever we have not within our heart, we have attachment, everything is being cut by the devotee. Santa eva chindanti mano vesanga muktibhi. The devotee, he breaks all those knots by giving his nectarian Harikatha about the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So, Bhagavan Kapil is instructing Mother Devhuti, you go to the devotee. Because that Harikatha coming from his lotus mouth is true Harikatha. It is potent Harikatha. Bhavanti Hridakarna Rasayan Katha, not only it is potent, when you are hearing that Harikatha, the glories of Supreme Personality of Godhead from a pure devotee, it is giving pleasure to your ears and your heart, everything. It is nourishing more and more. Tad Jyotsnad Apavarg Vartmani, by the mercy rays of that Harikatha, what happens? Apavarg Vartmani, you will not have any fear of sin or some punya or some fear. Nothing will remain. No fear of death. Nothing remains. And what will happen after that? You will have devotion in the lotus feet of Supreme Lord. What? Shraddha, Rakti, Bhaktir, Anukramishyati. You will have Shraddha. First day I was mentioning, Shraddha itself is not an ordinary thing. Shraddha Shabde Shudrida Nishchay. You will have firm determination, strong determination that by serving the lotus feet of Supreme Lord Sri Krishna, everything will be fulfilled. That comes only by association of devotee. So if we don't associate properly, when Shraddha is there, then only Sadhu Sang starts. Samyak Anugaman. What is Sang? Samyak Anugaman is called Sang. Properly what Gurudev has taught to practice properly is called real Sang. What Gurudev taught us in his life, through his teachings, through his practice, through his ideals and his mood, to follow everything is actually called as Sang. If not, it is not Sang. It is Vyang. You understand Vyang? I don't know the English word, so forget it. It's like fun. In the name of coming in the shelter of Gurudev, always remember, there is this idea in many people that I have taken shelter in the lotus feet of the personal associate of Supreme Lord, so now I am liberated. No. There are many in the form, you can see there are many seats are there. And they are giving water properly, they are giving, light is also proper, everything is proper. But some seats still die. Why? Because even though everything is available, but it doesn't have that capacity that it can take, it can accept what they are getting. It is of course not possible for them, but for this human form of life, we have this ability to accept what is good for us, what is beneficial for our soul. So when we are receiving the mercy from Gurudev and Guru Vargas and Vaishnavas, we should learn how to hold it within our heart and how to progress in this devotional line. Then only we can succeed. If not possible. Simply by coming near Guru Vaishnavas is not sufficient. We have to follow their mood. We have to follow their teachings. We have to follow their heart. Vishayavishta Murkhanam Chitta Sanskaram Aushadham. Vishayavishta Murkhanam. In the scriptures it is said, the one who is engaged in all kinds of sense enjoyment activities, for him, what is the medicine? Vishrambena Gurur Seva Vaishnavochistaye Bhojana. To understand the mood of Gurudev and to serve him and to associate with him and to follow the teachings and to follow the mood of Vaishnavas, to take their remnants, what they have taught, whatever is coming from their mouth, that we have to take and practice, that we have to implement within our life. Then only we can get everything. Simply by going and listening, many people were asking Srila Bharati Maharaj how we can associate, how we can come close to you, how we can serve you. This is like very often people used to ask him, we live very far, Maharaj, we want to serve you, how can we do this? For everyone, Maharaj told only two things, to do two things. And what? To serve the Vaishnavas and chant the holy name. Our Gurudev also insisted on these two things. And I heard from Pujapad Madhavpuri Prabhu that Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj, he also insisted many times on these things. All the acharyas have one thing to say, that you serve the devotees and then chant the holy name. Serving Vaishnavas means, again they asked, serving the body or word? Then Maharaj very clearly mentioned that you have to serve their Vani, Vapu Seva and Vani Seva. There are two things. You have to serve the body, but primary should be to serve their word. What they are speaking, what is in their heart. You should try to enter into that place where you can read, where you can understand what is there in the heart. What Radharani says, Anyer mon more mon Vrindavan. My heart is Vrindavan. In Chaitanya Charitamrita it is mentioned. Why Radharani's heart is Vrindavan? Because Lord says, Vrindavanam parityagya padamekam nagacchami. I never keep even a step outside of Vrindavan. So Radharani has made her heart as Vrindavan. Those who are coming in the line of Srimati Radhika, servants of Srimati Radhika, all those Vaishnavas, all those personalities, their heart is Vrindavan, where Radharani is also there, Supreme Lord is also there, and all their parikar is also there. So when we try to touch their heart, when we try to go near their heart, we will be able to have the glimpse of that holy abode where Lord Nandanandan, Sri Krishna and Srimati Radhika are performing their eternal pastimes. For that, we need to try to go near to the heart of a devotee. That is possible only by association. It is not ordinary thing. If we truly associate, we don't know which day, which Vaishnava will bless you, will bless us. No need physically he has to present. He knows everything. Gurudev is present all the time. He is everywhere. Vaishnavas are everywhere. Soul itself is everywhere. Then Guru Vaishnavas are always there. When they see my disciple, when they see these Vaishnava, he is serving nicely to the Vaishnavas. They will shower their mercy, special mercy. Why? Because they are all the time with us. So they are observing all our activities. When they see we are surrendered, and when they see we truly have the desire to meet with the Supreme Lord and to participate, to engage ourselves in his eternal pastimes, then definitely he will give us the path by which we can progress in it. Everything starts with the association of Vaishnavas. So we should be very careful in associating with Vaishnavas. Dadati pratigrihati guhyam akhyati prichati, which Rupa Goswami has mentioned, is for the devotees. Bhungite bhojete cheva shadvidam priti lakshanam, to develop that love, which Rupa Goswami has mentioned, is we have to do with the devotees. When we do this, automatically the love for the Supreme Lord and the love for the devotees, automatically it will come. No need to break big stones. It is very easy. What we are doing here in this world, that we have to do there. Everything is perverted. So we have to change the direction. That's all. It's very easy. And that becomes more easy when we associate with the devotees. Like, person who is earning more money, he is having the greed to earn more and more. Even though he has sufficient money, but still the desire to earn more is always present. In the same way, we should understand the real need of the person, the soul. That need is to get the pure love and pure devotion. That also comes by associating with devotees. So patiently we should associate with the devotees. By that, the realization of the real aim of life manifests within our heart. After that, we will definitely associate with devotees. We can't live without the association of devotees. Vancha kalpatarubhya kripa sindhuvya patitanam pavanebhyo Vaishnavabhyo. And thank you very much to all the devotees here. I'm very happy to be in your company for these 2-3 days, and which helped me so that I can remember and I can hear the glories of Hari Guru Vaishnavas. And I'm very thankful to all of you. That's it.